Natural, it don't matter, so get you right on your mission. That's the truth and no tripping. Have you looking fly? People vids ask a question, she's your true Patt. DIY with Patt. DIY with Patt. That's right. DIY with Patt. Let's go. DIY with Patt.
Hello to everybody joining. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited you are here today because I have an exciting tutorial lineup for you, and I have a lot of video coming up. Stay tuned, don't forget to subscribe. So today I'm going to show you how I created this fabulous boho inspired textured hair. So a lot of people kept asking, how do you do it? Some of them I add the human hair from the roots, some of them we add the human hair from the, so as you saw, let me explain how I braided her hair. Is super short, so I make sure to start off I went in, take a small section of the hair, natural hair. It's important to work with the individual strands to look for it to look good. So this allows more control and precision in the braiding process. So I gently separate the hair. She has a very short dyed hair into a brownish color or ginger color, so I have to cover it up to make sure it's not showing in the locks extension. So as you can see, though I'm going fast, I want to take my time to explain it into details. So when you do that, this will help when the hair is growing, the colors will not prevail or reveal in the hair. So that is it. This will help you achieve uniform and polished look, which is super important for the final result as well. So with my sectioning ready, let's move on to the braiding. So I started by taking one of the individual strands and carefully crocheting. You have to crochet through the root so it can make it secure in place, because you don't want where the hair will be moving at the root. New hair is supposed to look new, so make sure you crochet it underneath before you start braiding them, so to avoid any story that touches the heart, you understand. So what I did with the sectioning and everything, now here let's come to the fun part. I'm going to take you through the hair process because I want you to get the detail. I've been doing this for a while, so a lot of people usually contact me, even Chinese people want to learn, because this kind of thing, when you open a shop for it, a lot of people will like it, because not a lot of people are into this kind of style. So if you are watching, pay attention carefully. So as you can see, I attach the human hair. When you attach the human hair, make sure you braid it, secure it before you flip it up. So that is what I'm about to do over here. As you can see, I have held one side of the human hair with the extension. Then you watch it carefully. I'm going to flip it up to the side. So this time she doesn't want a lot of human hair, because the way it looks after a while, I'll show her how to take care of it to keep the curls fluffy and everything. I have to also, she doesn't like too much, so I'm not adding from the root to make it bulky. So let's move ahead. Let me explain it to detail. As we are gisting, I decided to take some of the voices out because the voice was not explaining the video. It's just our conversation about our experience abroad. So yeah, it doesn't really matter. So I decided to take the voice out and make a voice over. So guys, so I've just, as you can see, when selecting your extension, you need to choose a color or a texture that complements your natural hair, or go for something bolder or darker to make a statement. So for me, I'm not the one going to carry the hair around, but I prefer black hair a lot. I don't know why. If it's because I come from an African home, I prefer black hair a lot because it matches everything. So you can choose the color that complements natural hair, or go for something bold to make a statement. So I use a wrapping technique for this part. So as you can see, I'm going to crochet the hair underneath the individual braids that I did. So watch this place carefully. and see how I'm going to do. Sometimes I do not crochet it underneath, but I crochet it in the middle to give the roots that tiny root. So over here we were speeding up a lot, so we couldn't wait a lot of time, but I'm going to explain into detail for you to get it. You understand? Because I don't want them to make the video so long. I make sure to cover the natural hair completely while also ensuring the extension lay flat against my scalp, or sorry, I said my scalp, hair scalp. This is not only gives it a clean look, but also add to durability of the hair extensions. So as you can see, we are almost done. We were looking for something natural texture. So as I secured everything in place, I make sure to check that the curls are evenly distributed and integrated well with the locks, or distress, or this kind of locks. So it's all about creating a beautiful blend that looks effortlessly yet stylish. So, and there you have it. After the wrapping and everything, she's smiling. Okay, so if you enjoy this, oh, we were having a very nice conversation. I don't know why I took it out though, but maybe next time I'm going to be leaving voices in my video, because some of the conversation was calming, relaxing, that kind of energy. Yeah, you get it. I don't know why this video is showing only the face. The smile. Oh yeah, okay, we've positioned the camera now. All right, so as you can see, when we are done, you'll not be able to see her reddish, or the her natural hair color anymore. So make sure when you are wrapping, put that into consideration as well when you are wrapping. So so let's keep moving. Let's move in. So make sure the hair is secure. One thing I like about hair making is that I always, whenever I get someone's hair done, I always get ready for something, like, because someone might call you and be like, oh, the hair, I did something and one of them came out, or I did something. So the moment I spent 2 weeks without hearing that, I'm like, okay, thank God, there is nothing wrong with the hair. We are at peace. Congratulations. So yeah, guys, so look at how beautiful this texture is looking. I love it so much. This hair is, if you want to grow your hair, this hair is the texture, the hair to go for. Natural locks. I said natural. Did I say natural lock extension? Human hair Boho Locs extension. Yeah, let me call it like that. Some people call it distress locks. Others call it lock extension or locks extension. Others call it cultured locks. Like, there are lots of names out there. So everyone who is joining, feel free to. Yeah, I forgot the name. Faux Locs. Faux Locs. The main name is Faux Locs. A lot of people call it Faux Locs. So I think I'm going to make the title Faux Locs / Boho Locs extension. So that, let's give it that name. So you can give it whatever name according to where you are from. So when I was done here, I make sure I relax the scalp with warm water to loosen it up a bit. You know, when you're finished doing the hair, it actually pick all the strands, all your hair up, so it becomes so stiff from the roots. So to ease it down, or to relax it down, for the person to be able to sleep, you need to get your warm water ready. Do not, this kind of hair, you don't dip the entire hair into warm water. You just put your knit towel into warm water, squeeze the water out, and use the use the towel to press it in. You can leave the towel. So as I was doing it here, the head started breathing, like vibrating in and out. I'm like, wow, she was enjoying it. She was like, when I go home, I'm going to do this. Yeah, sometimes it's health, it benefits, it has some kind of what am I saying, health benefits. So you can try it at home, or when you have headaches, or when you have you can actually take doctor's advice before you do this. So a disclaimer, sorry. All right, so as we are going, let's keep going. I'll be showing you step-by-step process. This is the gel that I usually use, one of the best gels so far. I have a lot of them that I use. So yeah, if you're looking for a gel that doesn't flakes, you can go for this kind of gel. So look at how neat this hair is looking. This hair, if you are able to keep hair for so long, you can be able to keep it for 6 good months. Even people after 6 months, they don't want to take it out. They still come for how do you call it? They still come for, what's the name? They still come for retouch. So yeah, look at how neat this hair is looking. I love it. I love it so much. Aww. So as you can see, the human hair is not too much, so I'm trying to spray in a bit to keep it locked in English. Locked in. So yeah, that is what you see us doing. So I'm trying to press the front head down a bit. So look at the smiles. I love it. So she's going to turn around for you guys to see how the entire hair is looking. Thank you so much, Yolanda, for coming. I appreciate your time here a lot. Look at the hair, guys. Let me know if you've done it before or you are planning to get it done. Don't forget to let me know. I'll be expecting you. And there, my dear, there you have it. There you have it. And after all the wrapping, curling, we have transformed our hair into stunning, fluffy boho locks that I can't wait to show off. You can wear these locks for casual days out or even special events. They are incredibly versatile. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more hair inspiration, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Please subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. I can't wait to see you in the next one. I can't wait to see you in the next one. And over here we were trying to fix something. I don't know what we were trying to fix. So guys, let me check. Oh, I was trying to take a video of for hair. I was trying to look at how neat this hair is looking. So if you've ever cut your hair and you want to regrow your hair, guys, this is the style to go for. Don't forget, I told you heard it from here first. This is the perfect style to go for if you are planning to get something different, something to lock your hair up. You are busy, you don't want to do too much, you just want to get something simple done. This is the best style to go for. So guys, thank you so much for your time. As I said earlier, don't forget to subscribe, share, like for the next video. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.
DIY with Patt. That's right. DIY with Patt. Hey yo, this DIY with Patt. She wear many hats, provide your makeup needs, glam you up, get you intact.